Alright guys, today we are going to go back into talking about your Pokemon business. Now there's a lot of things that we've been discussing here between investing and business, and today we're going to go back into the business front and discuss how we are transitioning from being a Pokemon business into a long-term Pokemon investor in 2022. I'll go through a couple of things we're buying and selling today, and that way you guys can take a look at maybe what it looks like to have that transitional period. So guys, if you're new here, hit that subscribe, hit that notify, and as always, hit that like button, guys. We can get 65 likes in this video. It's greatly appreciated. It helps us out a ton. And also, just a reminder, we are setting up for a box break on April 30th. So if you're interested in purchasing packs for that, be sure you check out the link below in the video links, just below in the description. There, I will put in a link to our Squares account where you guys can purchase into that link. On Saturday, I will be opening this up to my Facebook people and also my Instagram members. That way they all have an opportunity to get in on it and have a little bit more fun. But I want to give you, my members here on YouTube, the first chance to jump in on this. So guys, if you're interested, be sure that you do that. Of course, today we're going to be talking about your Pokemon business. What are we buying? What are we selling? Our reasonings behind it, and how are we transitioning this into a long-term investment. So guys, first item I'm going to be talking about, what are we buying? Hidden Fates. Hidden Fates, of course, is one of those big items that I've been purchasing when I get it available. If it's below $150, I've been picking it up. I feel that this has kind of lost a little bit of its wave due to the fact that we have had so many big sets in Sword and Shield come out, but people are going to go back to it, guys. This set is hot. It always will be hot. It's going to be one of those memorable sets. So if I can find ETBs under $150 right now, I am definitely buying these, and these are for the long-term investment. I know that there's going to be some great opportunities in these. They will increase in price over time. How much, I will not say out loud, but I just do know we will be seeing some really good growth on these over the next couple years. Definitely one of those sets that is memorable, and people really want to get into it, and people really enjoy that set. So once again, it is a more long-term hold for the investment side, but I am currently buying Hidden Fates ETBs when I can find them under $150. Next time I'm going to talk about is a sell. Today, right now we are selling Evolving Skies. I have finally sold out of all of our booster boxes of Evolving Skies. That's great news for us to get them out of here before we see a reprint or an announcement of a reprint. Of course, if you're holding on to Evolving Skies, this is, as I've said before, is more of a flip item. You're going to be purchasing this right now on the waves. As the waves continue to move through on Sword and Shield, purchase when they go low after a reprint and sell when they go high afterwards. Now, do I think Evolving Skies is also an investment set? Absolutely, guys. It's a great set for a long-term investment. The evolutions on this are hot. The set itself is fantastic. It has a lot of things going that make it a very strong set in the long run. So definitely something that will be a good investment also. But if you're looking at trying to grow your Pokemon business right now or grow an account for your investments, Evolving Skies is giving us some great opportunities time and time again to get into it when it's low and then, of course, sell when it's high. We have not had an official reprint notice yet. When we do, of course, we will put that out there. We know it's going to happen. It's inevitable. This is going to be coming up. So you can continue to try and stretch this. But once again, when it comes down to my philosophies on flipping things, don't get greedy on that secondary market. When you can, sell, take your gains, and move on. Definitely going to be something that when it comes back, we will be purchasing Evolving Skies again and putting them away one more time. Maybe we'll buy more booster boxes. Maybe we'll use the extra money from the sales in order to go into our next product. Next thing that we are buying right now, anything with Cosmic Eclipse in it. There are a lot of sets right now with that canceled reprints of a Cosmic Eclipse in it. Whether it's the knockout boxes, whether it's the tins, the Arceus V box, the V collection is definitely coming out with Cosmic Eclipse. Definitely do your research on that. I mean, Pokeball D21 has that Cosmic Eclipse. Cosmic Eclipse is a very hot set. Right now we are seeing a little bit of a down movement on the set itself, on the booster packs, but that's to be expected with how much of it we're seeing right now. But people are purchasing this like crazy. So it isn't going to take long for that to go back up. And Cosmic Eclipse is a fun set. Brilliant Stars has pushed that memory of that set with the trainer gallery. So we're definitely seeing some more movement on this set again due to that Trainer Gallery and Brilliant Stars, remembering of Cosmic Eclipse. People are going back and looking at that set because of it. And of course, with this canceled reprint and all these packs showing up on the market, there's definitely some products to be pulling that out of and be able to do that. Definitely from some of these tins, even the Pokeball. Right now, you can grab that Pokeball with 3 packs. Cosmic Eclipse is going for about $10.25 right now a pack on sales. You could pull that out of it and sell that pack and almost buy that Pokeball. If you bought the knockout boxes, you're also almost one whole pack ahead on the Cosmic Eclipse. And last but not least, the final thing that we can see is actually in these little tins that I'll put next to me. These tins have it in there, and by purchasing it and selling the Cosmic Eclipse, you paid for the tin and get a free pack. A free pack is great. You can either A, sell that pack, or B, open it yourself, or C, save it for a later sales date on it. I know it's only Rebels Clash, but hey, there's some options inside of that tin. With anything with Cosmic Eclipse has them bonus packs in it. So definitely something to be looking at for buying right now is anything with Cosmic Eclipse. Next thing that we're doing a lot of selling right now, we have gone through our bulk. We have dug through all of them, and we are selling bulk cards right now at decent prices, especially the Inteleon, Drizzle, and Snobble cards going into some of the trainers. Of course, that Boss's Orders is doing extremely well from Brilliant Stars, and that is actually a fairly common card to pull when it comes down to it. So definitely some good options, some good opportunities right now in the singles markets now that we have Worlds back. Worlds, as we said, is a huge driver of some of these trainers, some of these other cards to really get a boost up, and actually make some profit. Inteleon from Sword and Shield, if you got some extra hollows from when back in Sword and Shield base set when that came out, those are actually selling for about $4.50 to $5 a card right now in the hollow form, and in the non-hollow $3.50. Guys, it's a great opportunity to sell them, and they sold extremely fast for me. They were gone. So once again, they're selling great opportunities to definitely look through your bulk and get better than that 3.5 cents per bulk card that you're going to get at most of the places right now. Now, if you can't do that, definitely know that you have the bulk option, but singles right now are a great option to go look at if you have a ton of bulk from opening cards, and definitely make that little bit boost on some of them bulk cards versus just getting the standard 3.5 to 4 cents that we've been getting. Next thing that we are buying right now, Arceus V Premium Collection. Yes, I like this set. I think that this is going to be a hot set in the future. The one thing that I am kind of drawing back on it just a little bit is to see how much of it we will be seeing inside of Walmart and Targets before I really go diving deep into that set. And the reason being is that Pikachu V-Box has me scared that Pokemon International might be putting a lot of emphasis on V-Boxes. I don't know if you've seen the pictures out there or if you've seen latest updates on that Pikachu V-Box that was released here about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3. But every Walmart, every Target got just blasted with that. I've seen pictures with Walmarts and Targets with 50 to 100 of these boxes all stacked up on shelves. Guys, it's just ridiculous the amount that they printed with that. And my concern is that they might do that with that Arceus V Premium Collection. So, yes, the pre-orders are full, but that does not mean that MJ Holding isn't going to get a ton of these and just blast them all over the United States in every major store that they put into. Target, of course, and Walmart are their biggest sellers. Once again, I don't know how many they're going to make. It depends on how much of that pin that they made inside of it, that Arceus figurine, will be the only limiting factor inside of there. But if they were planning on actually producing a ton of these to begin with, they could print as many, make as many of those they want, print as many of the cards they want, and definitely do exactly like they just did with that Pikachu V-Box. Them boxes are coming back heavy in a lot of places, so who knows what's going to happen. Just a tale of caution with that one. I like the set. I like the options. I like Cosmic Eclipse in it. Just concerns me when I see what they did with that Pikachu V collection that just came out here a couple weeks ago. So just keep that in mind. Next thing I'm going to put up here on the list that we are selling, Crimson Invasion ETBs. This is a quick flip item that we've been purchasing. You can pick them up at your Walmarts now for $39.99, $39.98, depending on where you get them. And they are actually selling extremely well right now at about $65. So once again, it's not huge money. You're not going to make a fortune on it, But if you're looking at a Walmart that might be getting these Crimson Invasion ETBs and you can find them in the wild, great opportunity to purchase these, list them on another secondary site or on Facebook or other places, and see if you can make a quick little flip in order to take some of that money and roll it into the next item. So definitely one of them things that options are out there. They're definitely available. They're definitely something that you could do a little quick flip, and they've been selling pretty successfully for around that $60 to $65 range. Yes, you're not going to make $40 to $50 on them, but hey, if you hold on to them for a couple days and you get them, list them for sale, and sell them within a day or two, you're definitely going to get $4 to $7 out of them, which, like I said, doesn't seem like a ton, but if you sell a few, you're still going to make some decent money on those. The last thing that we are looking at purchasing right now is the Pikachu Vivid Voltage ETB. Yes, this is a great ETB. This is a flashy ETB. It's Vivid Voltage, and they are out, guys. So if you have not seen it yet, definitely be watching your Walmarts and Targets very closely because they are out. They're in this area already. And if they're in this area, that tells me that they were probably released pretty consistently across the United States. All of us kind of saw it all come out at the same time. I also put them up in the community posts here that they were for sale. And if you are watching for these items and we talk about them here on the channel, just know that if I do see them someplace, I will post that so that you guys have the opportunity to definitely check that out. The other thing that was kind of interesting is just a side note while I'm here. Pokemon Center did list some of the cardboard sleeve Cosmic Eclipse packs here today. Interesting that those actually showed up again in the cardboard sleeves. Be watching your GameStops because last time that happened, they showed up on GameStop just a couple days later. So once again, just something to watch for Cosmic Eclipse at $4 a pack in them cardboard sleeves. You're not going to go wrong, and they're actually selling at about $13 because of that cardboard sleeve on TCG Player right now. So definitely keep your eye out at GameStop for that product also. But going back into it, the Vivid Voltage ETB is a great collection piece. It's flashy, looks good. It fits your Pikachu collectors. It fits your Vivid Voltage people chasing that Chunkachu. So there's a lot of options inside of there, and definitely a great ETB to try and pick up right now at retail cost, and they are disappearing quick. I know I've been kind of watching it in some places, and it is just gone, usually within a couple days of it being there. So I would definitely watch here on Thursday night, Friday morning, today. You might be seeing another little drop of these inside of your store, so definitely check that out if you are interested in that Vivid Voltage ETB. Once again, guys, this is all I got for you today. Hopefully I brought you some good information, some good insight, and some good things for you to think about when you're talking about your Pokemon business and also transitioning that into your Pokemon investments in 2022. As I said, if you're new here, hit that subscribe, hit that notify, and as always, hit that like button. And if you do like this content, as always, I'll put up these two videos up over here for you for your entertainment afterwards. And we will see you next time here on Northwoods TCG.